Yo, what's up guys? And today we will be playing some Madden 20. We're drafting, we're franchising the Jets right now. So, let's get into it. So, who are we gonna be drafting? Jax.
We're going to be drafting. We're trying to get 4 old people.
Nice.
So we're trying to get in the draft. We're trying to get the first pick or first and second pick.
Nice. So, right now, please subscribe. This is our first video on, and it's Madden. We do Madden, the show, and Fortnite. If whoever likes Madden, you can watch the show, or Fortnite, we even do. So, please subscribe. So, let's get into it.
We're not going to be sending the whole video, just to tell you. We're going to be playing some games. We're going to do something action. It's going to be fun. This video is probably going to be maybe an hour or something. Maybe to 20 minutes, 40 minutes. And once we reach 87, I can complete. Once we do the Super Bowl,
Yeah, so we're going to be drafting a lot of kids, as you know. Chase Young, we're going to try. Tua, maybe, we tried to get, yeah. So we got some, we're in the playoffs right now. No, we're just in the season, right?
Yeah.
We're in the season. Let's draft some people, right, Jax?
Right. We have a lot of money, so we could really sign, like maybe Clowney might be in the free agency, who knows? So let's just hope we get a good pick. That's all we want.
Yep.
I'm downloading the draft class. And I'm going to scout some players.
Who should we scout? Chase Young, definitely.
This is the worst one. The first one you just got in. You just found a diamond in the rough.
So we're
I'm
trying.
looking for maybe not even Chase Young, maybe just Jared Judy, because he's really good. He's an 82 overall. I've done this draft before, so I pretty much know how to play overall. I'm definitely not going Justin Herbert, because he's sucks. Maybe CJ Lamb. This guy's pretty good. Very good. So we're going to send to playoffs and then we'll see if we make it or not. We're 1-5 right now. That's actually pretty good.
Dude, what about we just play games?
We're going to be doing the first season and then we're going to be playing some games next season. So we're going to be trying to get maybe some good players in draft or something. And then we're going to be just doing some stuff. So in the next season, we're going to be some the playoffs next season. Though, if we win the playoffs, we're just doing it.
Yep.
So we're hoping we do the playoffs. If you didn't know, this is me. Hi.
So, we're almost halfway through for the Super Bowl. We just need about 3 more weeks and then we'll be set. Now 2 weeks. Sorry. We're in the playoffs.
After that, Super go, and then we're gonna be seeing some, and then we're gonna be doing some stuff. So I just kept it on. So we are gonna be in a comment. So we're gonna see if we're in it. If we're in it, surprisingly, that's cool.
Are we in it or no?
No, we're not in it, but that's fine. That's fine. I just want to see our team real quick. I want to make some changes around first. I want to get where's Avery Williams? Oh wait, he's hurt. Okay. So this guy's pretty good. My team's pretty set right now, to be honest. We have 81 on the overall team. Quarterbacks, not that good. Starting to get to running back. Next is Super Bowl, so we're going to see the Super Bowl.
So this is the Super Bowl, and then we'll get into the draft. Then we'll play some games, okay?
And Clowney's there, someone else is good there, and we get it. Because we need some good players, but that sucks. And we have some happen, so that's good. Oh, Chris Harris is there. That's a great pickup. That's a great pickup for us. Chris Harris might be a good pickup. Put him at 4 years. Contract out. I'm gonna offer Chris Jones a lot of money. This guy also,
So guys, we're gonna also be playing some Fortnite after this. Yeah, and then
after this, maybe like Fortnite for 30 minutes and Madden for 30 minutes. So it'll be an hour.
we're gonna be posting a lot of videos.
Oh yes, they both accepted. That's a huge push for both of our teams. We got a stack thing, 2x stack thing. Actually 3. Yeah, 3x stack thing. So that's insane. We're gonna be going to the draft now, okay guys? I'm gonna see what I pick is first. I wanna see what I pick is first. We're probably gonna be going there. Okay, we have the 4th pick, so that's maybe Jerry Beatty. If Tua's not there or Chase Young's not there, we're going Jerry Beatty. Because he is a monster.
Okay guys, this is the last thing you would be seeing for right now. Then we're gonna get into the draft. We'll draft some kids, and then we're gonna play a game.
Yeah, the Dolphins are the first pick. Oh, they selected Chase Young right before us. Maybe we could get, there's not that many good players out there. We're sliding with things a lot this year. I feel like we should go CeeDee Lamb because he's really good. Yeah, let's go CeeDee Lamb, guys. 80 overall, that's a great pickup, guys. This is a great pickup. That's a great pickup. Let's just see if Bryce Hall's there. Bryce Hall's there. No, he is not there, okay? But Ruggs is there. Ruggs is has 96 speed, so let's go with Ruggs. 74 overall, not that bad of a pick. We can upgrade him very easily, so let's see that. So we're going to be seeing that guy. Oh, this guy is so good right here. Xavier. Let's get Xavier today. That's a great pickup. This draft's working out well for him. We're going to be sitting something.
KJ. He just,
We're gonna be doing KJ Hill. Oklahoma State. No, Ohio State. Sorry.
we just literally saw him play.
Yep, he's just also player. Running good running back, maybe? No, that's State. Let me go. Bye. Maybe they would go linebacker after Turn around, guys. Oh, this guy. Oh, yeah, that sucks. That's a bad thing. Yeah, that's a disgusting thing. We're just gonna sit there and relax. We're going.
Okay, guys, now we will be going into the first week, and we will be playing.
So we got CeeDee Lamb here, right? Well, he's gonna be starting over. He's gonna be one receiver, first receiver. Mark Crowder, no. Mark Crowder, still. And then look at this dude. Look at this. This is insane. Xavier McKinnon's gonna be playing over Nolan, whatever his name is.
Jack. Okay, we're gonna be playing soon. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. Put back to the normal stuff. Okay, guys, we are almost done the preseason. Okay, guys, now we will be playing the Cardinals.
Wait, I gotta put this on all pro. Guys, I put it on with you. Wait, sorry. So 82 to 81. Not doing hasn't got an unbelievable season. Let's see if we can get off. No, we do not get off. That's sad. So I'm gonna be only doing offense Saturday. Actually, no, I'm gonna be doing defense. Oh, that was a good return. I'm trying to do my best minutes. Try not to lose. There's gonna lock up. Watch that. Good on outside. Good job. Good tackle, good job. You gotta stick with Jamal Adams back here. See what it is the other way. Good job. Oh, come on, that's a face smash. You can't make a pass.
Okay, guys, this is our first game. There's gonna be 2 games this video.
great is my CJ Mosey, but not Bubble. Look how many superstars. That's a stupid. Oh, that guy's a rock. He should be injured or he should not have gone. Watch Harris on this side. He's going to put him in the ball. Good job. Way to hold him. This is a hard game. That's stupid. That's stupid. Great job.
Sends him 2 yards in the wrong direction and leads the second down. A rare misstep on that last play because the drive has been strong, but now it's second and 12. On second down, here's Murray. That's where the clock on covered. No gain that time.
No gain on that play. Good job. Third down, we need to score.
This is third and long, though. Throwing his Murray on third down. That was caught by Hunt. It's a gain of 7, and that's going to make it 4th down. Everyone's going to be able to catch the football. No matter what position you play, if you're on offense, you're aware of all that's on your left. The kick by Brian is good. And the Cardinals have the first points and score nothing. Well, all offseason, probably a lot of thought goes into that first drive of week 1. They didn't get the touchdown, but at least they got something. And what I like about it is that they didn't overthink it. Because you're exactly right. A lot goes into the offseason, the preseason to get to that first drive of the regular season. They went right downfield, mission accomplished, points on the board. Darnold going to lead the Jets up now, 1st and 10, just shy of the 30. Now Darnold.
No, that was so
Hang on. That was a dream chance for a D-line and a possible get a pick. But instead it falls down incomplete. Here's 2nd and 10 now from the 29.
Go for Anderson.
Pressure now on Darnold, and he goes down. Adam Gotsis, the Aussie, with a sack. From the goal line, 3rd down, here's Darnold.
Oh, that was the coverage, but that's a flag.
Incomplete.
That's a big fun.
So the defense able to get off the field here on 3rd down. That's one of the goals of the game. They've got to be effective on passing down. That's when the defense is sharp. How did we do on 3rd down? That's a nice start on this one. It's a 45-yard punt, just a 1-yard return. And the Cards will take over 1st and 10. So from the 36 now, 1st and 10. To begin the drive, here's a handoff to Hunt. Just a yard on the pickup there will bring up a 2nd and 9.
Mom, could you hold the phone like this?
Here's 2nd and 9.
I don't wanna hold it right now. Just like that. No, up a little bit. Just hold it there. And try not to shoot.
I'm gonna be sick.
This offense gets ready to take over.
Go Adams.
A 1st down, 12, Darnold.
Okay.
Over the middle,
Nice job.
it's Lamb. season ago. Really didn't break down. It's a pretty darn good class. So you have to give a lot of credit to the entire scouting organization, general manager, personnel department, talent scouts. All came together to evaluate it very well and got a nice payoff. He's tackled a yard short of the marker. Good gain of yard on first down. From the 24, Johnny. Another pick. Now that'll be tipped. Intercepted. Picked off it.
Okay, guys, so this is like it's almost the third half. So I think this game, we might win, we might lose, I don't know. It all depends. We could get the lead right here.
Succession, not sure the Steelers So the football will be at the 25-yard line.
You should have ran that.
Get set to take over.
Jack, yo, you should have ran that, you know?
Trying to shake off the interception from the last drive.
Oh, that's a clean.
He's going to walk one deep.
Oh,
This is Detroit.
how did he do that?
That's out for the Jets. 55 yards. Darnold from the red zone now.
What was that? Hold it. What is that?
Incomplete.
That's
This defense is continuing to contest every deep ball that is thrown downfield. And when you about when you play man or zone, eventually that becomes man on man, and you got to trust yourself and go for that moment of truth.
maybe I'm better. So I'm coming in.
Completion here, 2nd and 10 from the 20. On 2nd down, this is Campbell.
Block.
Gets it down close to the 10-yard line. 9 yards on the pickup there as he'll be left with 3rd and 1. Trying to lands it down to on 3rd and short. And that one going nowhere for the start as he's met in the backfield and goes backwards. And a loss of 3 to bring up 4.
No!
And he's going to be intercepted a 3rd time.
A left tackle did too.
And it was
Let's go.
shy.
I'm sorry, guys. I think we might be playing it. I'm sorry.
We are in the 4th and final quarter as the offense will have the football starting this drive 1st and 10. They're back to the air here after the INT on the last drive.
Oh!
Into the hands
He's
of his
free!
receiver, Anderson. Let's try. 10.
No, no. Okay, I'm lucky. Yes, it is okay.
Both offenses have been clicking in this one. A lot of points on the board. We'll see if that trend continues.
Look to the outside. Ooh. Ooh. I thought it was
7
that.
yards on the pickup there. They'll leave it with a 2nd and 3. And now it looks like they're going to be in a hurry-up. From the 24. Darnold. Up the pass. It's Crowder. Breaks a tackle. He's got an alley.
Guys, it might be entertaining now because we're coming back.
Offenses have been clicking in this one. A lot of points on the board. We'll see if that trend continues. They'll run on 1st down with Cam.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's a 7-yard carry to set them up with a 2nd and 3. Clock running here under 90 seconds to go. He's back to throw. Under the clear, serving those timeouts. But he's still have to work with some urgency to put themselves in the right position. And they'll wind up doing this one all the way down inside the 20. Back to throw. Well, how do you let a guy get that wide open in the 2-minute drill? There's absolutely no way that that's coached. That's an absolute complete breakdown on that play. Now the Jets going to use the 2nd of their 3 timeouts as they hit the stoppage with a little over 50 seconds left to go in the game. They'll look to throw. He takes it across for a touchdown.
We might win this game. Come on, keep playing. Yes! Let's go! We won it.
So now we're in the final minute of the game in the 4th quarter as this offense gets ready to take over. Now it's Darnold. Steps away as well. And he'll be brought down at the 48-yard line.
Okay, now we're going to midnight, guys.
No, dude, stop. Okay, guys, and that is the end of the video. So please subscribe at Nightmare Dream. See ya, guys. Later.